guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Daphne. Thank you very much for tuning in. And if you just watched the previous video, you see me in the same dress. Yes, it is the same day. I just wanted to introduce this video quickly. So tomorrow is Heritage Day and I want to sew a pair of pants for my son. My father bought me this material back home, I think 2 years ago, and I've not used it. I have around 2.5 meters or more of that. So I'm gonna sew him a pair of simple pants. This is a fabric from Mozambique. We call it Capulana material, but I know that people usually call it Ankara and all of that, but I know it as Capulana. Yes, and this material has, I think it's birds and pineapples, and it has a summery feeling, so I thought it would be perfect for kids. So I'm gonna sew him a pair of pants to wear tomorrow to school, and for the girls I'm still thinking of what to do with the other material. So if you're interested in that, please stay tuned, and thank you very much for your support. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share the videos. Please do that. I do appreciate you very much. I'll see you later. Please enjoy the video. Okay, I'll be using Zazilentless pajama pants as a template because I don't have a pattern for the pants. And I just wanted to show you the pants that I made for him last year. So the shorts that I made for him last year. So it's actually my first ever sewing project. Was it my first? Well, yeah, the first garment I made. It has elastic at the back and it's shray fabric. Don't do that. And then it has buttons. These buttons are just for decoration. It's cute, right? I don't think they fit him anymore anyway. Yeah, so let's get going now for real. here's our pants all done. Tati will be wearing them tomorrow to school with just the white t-shirt and sandals. As you saw in the video, it was quite an easy DIY. It wasn't that difficult at all. I hope you enjoyed the DIY, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. See you later in my next DIY. Mwah. Bye.